Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your daily energies, Pisces, I'll be picking few cards, guys. If you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this daily energy, guys. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. Pisces. So we have King of Cups in reverse, Fool, and Queen of Swords. So in your situation, Pisces, in your career or in this relationship, you are a very honest person and you are truthful to your heart. So whatever you believe in, you work towards that, or you have your own ideals and values, and you are a person who perceives any situation with clarity, and you are a wise and an experienced person. So people come to you for guidance and support in your work or in your work situation or in your life. Friends or family, they look up to you, look up to your support and guidance, guys. And I also see that you are proceeding towards some new adventure today. It may be a new path in your career, or it may be a new love in your life. So things are taking you towards this new journey, this new life, new love, new person. So for some of you, you are happy that things are going positively. You have that attraction, you have that that uncontrollable attraction towards them, something like a magnetic attraction towards this person, guys, Pisces. So you are doing everything possible to be in this love with this person, to be in this connection. So maybe this may be a new person and you are planning to propose to them or planning to tell them about your love interest. So this may be a new person you are interested in, but you need to be quite careful today also, guys, because this person may not be honest like you. So you have to be quite careful, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. That is the reading. If you want more clarity in your situation, if you want a more detailed reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have coming up right now, guys, Pisces. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile you want to choose, you can close your eyes, think of your situation for a few seconds, and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. That way that reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, let's start with the first card. So this is your first card. I will keep this card aside. So I will pick few cards from this deck. So let's see what is coming up with this deck, guys. These are the cards. So, any questions or any doubts you have in your situation, you can think about it, guys, and I will see the cards and we will start the reading now. So, it is Nine of Moons, the Empress, and Ace of Suns in reverse. So, it may be in your situation, guys, someone, it may be a woman, it may be your close friend, or it may be your sister or mother, who has that true concern on you, love for you, and they are coming to help you. They are offering help, supporting you. Maybe they are helping you in this connection, bringing that understanding between you and this person. And she is a very kind and compassionate person, and they are influencing you in a positive way in this in for this relationship. Or this may be your person, this may be the energy, their energy. So they are influencing you in a very positive way, so for all the good things. So this person is giving you valuable suggestions, guys, what you need to do. And maybe they are suggesting few things because certain things are not going right in your situation, guys. So it may be some difficulties in your business, or some difficulties in your personal life, maybe some illness, or it may be some financial situation in your career. So they are giving you valuable advice and support for that. So things are not going so well in your career, maybe for some of you, and this person is helping you out. And I also see that your problems are getting solved because of the way they are helping you, and you're proceeding towards success in your life, guys, success in your situation. And you have that clarity in your mind today because of this person. So with their help, you are able to clearly identify what is the reason for troubles and how you can rectify it. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading with these cards. So let's see what is coming with these cards, the other set of cards. Here we have a few other cards to pick from this deck for the second deck. So for those who have chosen this deck, let's pick few cards. These are the cards, guys. So any doubts or any questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and I will open these cards now. So let's see. It's Magician, Six of Fire, and King of Earth. I hope you can see the cards here. So in your situation today, guys, you have excellent skills and talents in your life, but you may be having some intuition about certain things. So when you are with this person, you may feel a particular way. You're in your heart of hearts, you may have some guidance what you need to do and what is your next, what is the right direction. So when you have that intuition, you should listen to it, guys. And maybe when you are with this person, or maybe even alone, you have overwhelming feelings in your heart. This connection is simply inspiring you towards better things in life, guys. So you have that trust on this person, and this person is influencing you in a very positive way. So all the good things that are there, this connection is pushing you towards that. It is bringing out your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing in other phases of your life, facets of your life, maybe in your career, or in general. When people see you now, they feel that you have changed so much. You have become more cheerful, confident, and skilled and talented. You are showcasing your skills and talents, and your reputation is growing. And you are what to say, a very compassionate person. You have that trust and faith on this person, and they also have that trust and faith on you. And you have that humility in your heart. So maybe with this person you have that what to say, that mutual love, respect, caring. So that may be the reason this connection is working for you guys, because of that kindness, compassion you have for each other. And this connection is influencing you in a positive way towards a greater growth in your life, in your career, and in your emotional state, in your spiritual state. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So that is the reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.